In today's video, we're gonna talk about that how to count your calories, that what and how many calories you are eating in a day. So let's get started. There are two methods to count your calories. The first method is that you need a food scale for counting your calories. First of all, you have to know that carbs contain 4 calories in 1 gram. Protein also contain 4 calories in 1 gram. But here, if we talk about the fats contain 9 calories in 1 gram. So now what you have to do is just weigh your food by the help of food scale. If you are eating carbs, put it on the scale and weigh it and then count it that if 1 gram carbs contain 4 calories, then how many calories would be in 10 gram of carbs present. Similarly, you can count your protein calories and your fats calories by the help of food scale. But if you don't have food scale, don't worry, I will tell you another method by which you can count your calories in an extremely simple way. What you have to do, that if you are eating an apple of a normal size, Google it that how many calories are present in a normal size of an apple, and Google will give you information about that how many calories are present in a normal size apple and all that. But for counting your calories, I will also tell you an extremely best app on Google Play Store where you can count your calories, and even you can count your calories of the whole day, that what you are eating in a whole day. And the name of the app is MyFitnessPal. Download the app from the Play Store and it will help you in losing your weight and counting your calories. So this was our video. If you like the video, click on the like button, subscribe to our channel, also click on the bell icon and share the video. Thank you so much.